As President Obama prepares to turn the White House over the President-elect Donald Trump, he is offering some advice to his successor. One thing I have said to him directly, and I would advise my Republican friends in Congress and supporters around the country, is just make sure that as we go forward certain norms, certain institutional tradition don't get eroded because there's a reason they are in place. Obama told CBS News Steve Croft in a taped interview for 60 Minutes, excerpts of which were broadcast Friday. CBS said it would be Obama's last network interview. In a transition period that found the president-elect often commenting on presidential matters, Obama admitted it's been an unusual time. I suspect the president-elect would agree with that. Obama said, look, he's an unconventional candidate. Obama noted that Trump ran short of an improvisational campaign, but cautioned him against running an improvisational presidency, saying it will be a test to see if Trump can build an organization and execute the vision he laid out during the campaign. I think everybody has to acknowledge, don't underestimate the guy because he is going to be 45th President of the United States in about 2 weeks. Obama said Trump will be sworn in next Friday.